Let's break down the information provided. The topic is about advancements in medicine, specifically focusing on two areas: artificial intelligence, referred to as AI, and nanotechnology. Artificial intelligence in medicine involves the use of machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These machines have the ability to recognize patterns and analyze data, which can help improve how medical conditions are diagnosed, treated, and how patient care is provided. On the other hand, nanotechnology in medicine deals with the development of materials and devices that are at a very small scale, measured in nanometers. This technology allows for precise targeting of specific cells and tissues in the body, which can lead to significant improvements in how drugs are delivered and how diseases are diagnosed. Overall, the combination of artificial intelligence and nanotechnology has the potential to greatly impact the field of medicine, leading to more effective treatments, better patient outcomes, and improved overall healthcare. Here is a brief explanation of the text in simple language. The use of artificial intelligence in medicine is growing and it has many applications. One area where artificial intelligence is being used is in medical diagnostics and imaging. This means that artificial intelligence is being used to help analyze pictures of the inside of the body, such as X-rays, to help doctors find diseases earlier. Artificial intelligence is also being used to help find new medicines by looking at many different chemical compounds and predicting which ones might be effective and safe. Another way artificial intelligence is being used in medicine is to help create personalized treatment plans for patients. This means that a computer program can look at a patient's individual characteristics and medical history and provide recommendations for the best course of treatment. Artificial intelligence is also being used to help surgeons during operations by providing real-time guidance and allowing them to practice and plan surgeries in a virtual environment. Overall, artificial intelligence is changing healthcare by helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses, find new medicines, and create personalized treatment plans for patients. Here is a brief explanation of the topic in simple language. Nanotechnology is a field that deals with very small materials and devices. In medicine, nanotechnology has many applications. One of the main areas is targeted drug delivery systems. This means that drugs can be delivered precisely to specific cells and tissues in the body, reducing the harm to other parts of the body and minimizing side effects. Another area where nanotechnology is used is in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering. This involves designing scaffolds to help tissues grow and repair themselves. It also involves tracking and manipulating stem cells to help them grow into the right types of cells. The goal is to help the body heal and repair itself more effectively. Nanotechnology is also used to detect diseases early on. This is done using nanosensors that can detect very small amounts of biomarkers in the body. Biomarkers are signs of disease that can be found in the blood or other bodily fluids. Nanomaterials are also used to improve medical imaging techniques such as MRI, CT, and ultrasound scans. This allows doctors to see inside the body more clearly and diagnose diseases more accurately. Additionally, nanotechnology is used to create point-of-care diagnostic devices. These are small devices that can be used at home or in a doctor's office to diagnose diseases quickly and easily. Overall, nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine by enabling precise manipulation of materials at the molecular level. This can lead to better diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases. This text is about the integration of artificial intelligence and nanotechnology, specifically in the field of nanomedicine design. It discusses how artificial intelligence can be used to improve the design and development of nanoparticles for medical use. The process involves using computer simulations to test and optimize the properties of nanoparticles, such as their ability to interact with the body and deliver drugs effectively. Machine learning algorithms are used to analyze data and predict the behavior of nanoparticles, allowing for the optimization of their design and synthesis. The text also mentions the use of high-throughput experimental data and machine learning-driven analysis to accelerate the discovery of new nanomedicines. A case study is referenced, which describes a framework that combines virtual libraries, combinatorial synthesis, and multiparameter optimization algorithms to develop new nanomedicines. Finally, the text looks to the future and discusses the potential for autonomous nanorobots, self-optimizing drug delivery systems, and real-time adaptive nanomedicine, all of which could be made possible by the integration of artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. Here is a brief explanation of the challenges and ethical considerations in simple language. There are several challenges and ethical considerations that need to be addressed when using artificial intelligence and nanotechnology in medicine. One challenge is that there is not enough good quality data available, and the data that is available may be biased. This can make it difficult to develop algorithms that work well and are fair. Another challenge is that it can be hard to integrate new systems with existing ones, and it is also important to make sure that decisions made by artificial intelligence are responsible and safe. There are also concerns about data privacy and security, such as protecting sensitive patient information and preventing data breaches. Additionally, there are concerns about equitable access to these technologies, including the high cost of development and implementation, and the fact that some regions may not have access to these technologies. To address these challenges, it is necessary for scientists, clinicians, policymakers, and industry stakeholders to work together to ensure that artificial intelligence and nanotechnology are developed and used in a responsible and equitable way. Let's break down the information provided. The text is discussing the future of healthcare and the potential impact of emerging technologies. It mentions the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, and nanotechnology, which are being used to create autonomous nanorobots that can make decisions. One of the key areas where this technology is being used is in drug delivery systems, which are becoming self-optimizing, meaning they can adjust and improve on their own. This represents a significant change in the field of medicine, making healthcare more personalized, precise, and predictive. The text also talks about the importance of real-time adaptive nanomedicine, which is a new approach to healthcare that is becoming a reality. Additionally, it highlights the need for multi-omics integration, which involves combining different types of data to provide personalized care. To achieve these advancements, collaboration across different disciplines is essential, and ethical frameworks must evolve alongside the technology. The potential impact of these technologies on healthcare is significant, with the possibility of faster diagnosis, precision treatment, and improved outcomes at reduced costs. The text also mentions the need for interdisciplinary research initiatives, public-private partnerships, open data sharing platforms, and global healthcare innovation networks to drive progress. Overall, the convergence of AI and nanotechnology has the potential to transform healthcare, and by working together and addressing the challenges, we can accelerate the development of these technologies to improve patient outcomes worldwide.